Good morning, YouTube. Good afternoon. Today, I'm in a Jeep and hazards don't work and blinkers don't work. So I'm going to be changing out the turn signal or hazard of flasher. Some of them call it a module, but to me it's a flasher. It's an EFL 15 standard. It cost me about $45. So let's get to it. All right, so we need to remove this piece. Just unsnaps. Throw it on. And then we're going to have to remove this piece right here. It had a Phillips head. Screw right there. I bet there's another one. Ugh. There's another one right here. That's out. And of course there's probably going to be one on the other side. Yep, right there. I'm gonna go ahead and remove that and get back with y'all. Hang on one second. All right. Okay, I got that Phillips head removed. Now I got to come down here to the bottom. And this door right here, the panel to the fuse box, take it off. Then you got two 10mm bolts. One here and then one right here you got to take out. Get that like so. Gone. And the other one is right. Ooh, that sun. The other ones are right here. Hope y'all can see that. You couldn't. It's right there. See, 10mm. Then this panel should come off. It's right below the steering column. I know it's terrible. All right, this is the panel I'm talking about. It's up under the steering column. Once you get the 10mm bolts at the bottom, your two Phillips head screws off the top, then you just got to tug on it and it'll come out. And I just move it out of the way. All right, I'm gonna move y'all down here so I don't shake it too much. All right, now that we're under here, where the fuse panel is, remember I took the door off? That's what you see after you take the door off. And we're looking for one of these. Let's see if I can find it. It should be up in here somewhere. Should be right up in there. I believe I see it. Let me get my light. Hang on one second. All right, I got you guys on the floorboard of the Jeep. You're looking up. Right here would be your brake pedal and your gas pedal. And then straight up from your brake pedal would be the relay or the flasher. I'm going to try to show y'all it with my pointer. It's right there. The long one. So I'm gonna remove it and try to hold it so I know which way the terminals will go back. So I can get this one plugged in the right way. tug on it. Yeah, it's blinker. See, it just had bad connection because it started working. When I pulled out a little bit on the relay, the flasher started working. Huh. So you know what? I am not gonna replace that flasher. I'm gonna leave it like that for the time being. But looky here, I moved a little bit. It must have had a bad connection. But the hazard started working. And the blinkers are not working. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace it. And hopefully the blinkers will start working. I thought I had a quick fix there, but I guess I don't. Get back up in here. Hopefully y'all can see that still. I tell y'all what, I'm gonna put the keys in. Aha! Turn the ignition on, and the flashers, the turn signals are working. So all I had to do in this case was get a good connection on the module, on the flashing unit. So this repair will be no cost. And I will send that back for a refund. Woo! I take that refund back. I'm gonna go ahead and replace it. Because knowing my luck, I'll put it all back together and it won't work. Okay, this is out with the old. Remember, I want to keep it so I know which way the terminals are. So it was plugged in like this, like so. So I want to look at the terminals. Okay, so I want the two flat ones. I want two flat ones on top. So I wanted to go back in there with the new one like this. So I want to reach up in here best way possible. Sorry if y'all can't see, but I can't either. Just gotta get it started. Get my flashlight. I can see where I am. All right. Tight. It's a tight fit. There it goes. It went in finally. Make sure I get it in there good. Okay. Now out with the old and in with the new. Flashers are working. Let's bring y'all up here. See there? Flashers are going. Let's look at the back of the Jeep. Don't want to show no tag. That's good. That's good. Let's walk around to the front. It's bright. Good. And good. So all our bulbs are working. The module's working, or the flasher is working. So if you have a Jeep and your turn signals aren't working, or your flashers, hazard lights aren't working, replace the EFL 15 standard module or flasher, whichever way you want to call it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. And I guess I better show y'all how to put it all back together, since I got so excited about the blinkers working. All right, you got to put your bottom tray back on. It goes here, snaps in here, here, and then these three. They all snap in. Like so, just like that. Then you're going to get your bolts. One here. One here. Tighten those up. Done. Done. Then your two Phillips heads that go in the top. One right there. And one right here. That. This right here. All right, and then you got one on the side. Pretty simple. You just do it in reverse. The way you take it off, you put it back on. And then this is your door for your fuse box. It just snaps it back in place also. Just like that. And that is, oh, this piece. This piece goes over your steering column. It just popped off. It just snaps off and back on. Like that. Boom. And that is it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have a good day.